What's up, YouTube? It is Amy and
Annabelle
from the Timmy Family Farm, and it is a beautiful day today, just under 60 degrees. You know spring is around the corner, and I'm so excited because today we are going to start the first steps of installing our greenhouse. We've got a 20 by 24 high tunnel that we got from Grower Solution, and we are going to be building it around this raised bed behind me, the one that we were filling last week. So we were able to use the tractor to fill our raised bed, and now we're going to build the greenhouse around it. And this raised bed is going to serve to provide food for us, cool season vegetables for us through the winter months, and I couldn't be any more excited. Hey, get out of the raised bed. Get out of the planter, sweetie. Get your horsey. We're going to take you along and show you guys each of the steps through this build process. Today, we're going to be laying the black plastic, the black woven fabric weed mat throughout the floor of the greenhouse. And you're also going to see us setting the posts that are going to go around the perimeter of the greenhouse. Okay, now to drive our corner posts in, we're actually going to use a gas-powered post driver. And we'll link to that in the description below. All right, we've got our 4 corner posts set. So now we're gonna go ahead and lay out the woven weed barrier and get that filled in from the edges towards the middle of the greenhouse section where the raised bed is. Okay, so there you have it. We've got our woven ground cover fabric laid, and we have the posts driven along the two long sides of our greenhouse. And you know, we're calling it quits for the day, but we'll be sure to bring you guys back out when we do the next step, which will be when we install our hoops running along the greenhouse, and we'll put our toe boards in and get things set up to put our doors on either end. Be sure to give us a like and a subscribe and ring the bell so that you can get notifications for when we do our next update. We appreciate you, and we thank you so much for coming by the Timmy Family Farm. Have a good day.